Wanna know how to uninstall Java 17? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you an easy step-by-step guide on how to easily uninstall Java 17 from your computer. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply on the bottom left side, hit towards the search bar of your Windows and then search up for add or remove programs. Now once you've searched up and opened up add or remove programs, here you can see various apps that you had installed. So you can just simply scroll down until you find Java 17, or you can just search it right here, Java. And now since you want to uninstall Java 17, right here you can see Java development kit. So select it and then select uninstall right here. Now select uninstall again. And after a while, your Java 17 should be uninstalled. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.